Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my messy garage. Today we are going to attempt to put on the exhaust, the muffler delete kit for the Corvette with the ZR1 tips. I just got back from Harbor Freight and went and bought a 3-inch cutoff wheel just in case. Because first thing we're gonna have to do, get down here. So we got to get these off. If not, we got to cut them on both sides, and then we may have to notch the outside pipe to get everything to slide apart. As far as I know, these are still the factory mufflers. But yeah, so that's what we're going to try and do today. So I'm going to get started on that, and I will check back in with you in a little bit. All right, step one is complete. The old handy dandy Harbor Freight impact. Took those clamps right off, see them laying right there. So now I've put some wood underneath the exhaust so it doesn't drop, and we're going to take the bolts loose on the hangers, drop the mufflers down, and see if those will leave and turn off. If not, I'll fire up the air compressor and make some side cuts on that and flare that metal out and get it off. And then once we get that all done, we'll do a cold start with the new exhaust, because it's in my garage, so I don't want to do too much because it's stinking out. So, and I have it backed in so I can work on it. All right, be back in a bit. All right, so the air compressor's fired up. Both mufflers are loose. They're spinning on the pipe, but they're not going past where it was clamped on. So we're gonna go ahead and make that notch, like I said, and try and get these things to pop off. So as soon as my compressor air is up, we'll make some cuts and get this stuff off. All right, safety glasses, you know, safety first. It's 2 heavy ass mufflers off. Just made cuts in the side there and flared everything out so that they'll slide off. Still had to use the motivational tool to beat them off. But the new tips will just slide back on, kind of like these were, and then clamp back down, and we should have a muffler delete. We'll get back to you in a minute. All right, I got the new pipes on, but we've got some issues. So my car is an 84. And according to all the websites, these pipe kits say they fit 84 to 96, right? Well, 84 is the only year they ran the Crossfire motor, and everything else is tune port injection. So the exhaust is a little different. So passenger side, while just a hair wonky, driver's side is really wonky. So I don't know if it's build quality issue, or they didn't account for the curves and the difference in the exhaust, or what. So I'm gonna have to try and get that straightened up somehow, or bent up, or maybe even in the spring take it off and have an exhaust shop fix it. But for now, we're gonna leave it on. It looks like shit. I do want to hear it run though, so we'll finish this up and roll it outside and give it a quick cold start. All right, well, after some work with the motivational tool, it's better, but it's still not great. It's still gonna have to go into an exhaust shop and get repaired. So that's the final product. I just pushed it out the door. I haven't started it yet, so let's see what she sounds like with straight pipes. Pipes have a chance to warm up and heat up and expand and contract, and we can tighten the clamps up some more. So this ought to be fun. Okay, she's got a little heat in her now, so we'll give you a quick rev. I'm gonna go run it around the block and see how she does. as you saw, we took it around the block and down the road. It's definitely louder than it used to be, but it doesn't drone as much as it did with the other mufflers on it. So it brings a smile to my face every time I get in it now. So this is going to be a lot of fun next summer. Still got to get that left side fixed, but they're on. It was $165, I think, or $180 to buy that kit. I think I got it from Corvette Central. I'm not sure, but that's where the box is from. So it's just a standard muffler delete kit with 0-1 tips. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.